coastline. And there's our ship. There it goes. Oop. There's the fireworks. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Nice, nice, nice. That's what it's letting off today. Wow. That's what it's letting off. The pirate ship is letting them off. Beautiful, beautiful at nighttime. Here in Mexico, fireworks going off. And that's our ship that's doing all the damage. There we go. Woo, beautiful. I was out and about with D'Angelo, enjoying the fireworks as the pirate ship passed by. There it is. Such a beautiful sight to see. I wish you guys could have joined me and enjoyed this with me. Anyways, you can enjoy it now by watching the channel. Just like and subscribe. And on that note, I would say, peace out. Wow, it's an all-night affair. The fireworks are going off. Unbelievable. And there's the culprit. Right there. Okay, on that note, I would say, take care of each other and like and subscribe. All the way from Mexico. Peace out.